Welcome to Cluseek tutorial number 4, Marker Colocalization. Once the BLAST-P search for homologs of your markers is complete, the Markers and Colocalization tab will appear. Here, you'll see overview of your markers, and if you like, you can rename them. Next, select the markers you'd like to colocalize. In advanced cases, you can untick automatic cluster scoring and search for instances where, for example, any 2 out of listed markers are present. For now, we'll keep it simple and look for clusters that contain all markers. This is the most common case. You may also adjust the colocalization parameters if needed. These are explained in detail via the question mark icons and in the video 05, colocalization and display cluster view parameters. For most situations, however, the default settings work well, so we'll proceed with them. Click the Colocalize button, and Cluseek will calculate how many gene clusters with the selected markers were identified. From here, you can go straight to the Display Cluster View button. Optionally, before displaying the cluster view, you may want to explore the colocalization results in more detail, especially if the number of identified gene clusters seems unexpectedly high or low. You can visualize the identified homologs of your markers using a histogram or inspect a table listing the organisms where colocalized clusters were found. If the results don't look satisfactory, you can go back and refine your analysis by changing your markers, adding additional ones to increase specificity, or adjusting the colocalization parameters. A number of parameters can be adjusted also for Display Cluster View option. This is again explained in video 05, but in most cases, the defaults are sufficient. Depending on the number of clusters, it may take a few minutes to load, so please be patient. Once this is done, you can continue to the next video, 06 Cluster View Overview, which describes the main output of Cluseek, the visualized gene clusters. Thank you for using Cluseek.